Good morning. Now back away from my car, please. I'm not required to act like I like you until the bell ring. I'm sick of everything that got anything to do with this school. I ought to just sit right here and call a sub and leave. If you're happy and you know it, shut your mouth. Boy, shut up before you talk to me. Or you gonna ever do your work. You doing everything but your work. You take your watch off, because apparently you got too much time on your hands already. Don't make me change on you. I been nice, but you can call me an acrobat, because I'm about to flip the switch on all y'all. The emptiest wagon make the most noise. Go look at my sink. That's where you'll find your grades, because they going down the drain quick. I feel like my car done got repossessed, because my drive is gone. You headed down the path of punishment. Feel like I'm playing cards with one hand. I can't deal. A hard head make a soft butt. I hope you got buns of steel. You the ambassador of bad. A misunderstanding is about to take place. Warning come before destruction. Y'all are some of the best of the worst kids I ever taught. Turn the Michael Jackson off. You better beat it. This is gonna be a thriller when I start acting like a smooth criminal. I'm dangerous. I'm thoroughly convinced that you are my test. Okay. It's gonna be like a restaurant and they brought you what you didn't order, because you got another thing coming.